Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the P2P trading platform in the Binance. So P2P stands for a peer-to-peer, which means person to person. So we're going to buy the cryptocurrencies by person to person using P2P. The one big advantage of this, by doing this, we can avoid those expensive transaction fees and charges that we used to pay for ages. And also it will allow you to buy even a smaller quantity such as 100 rupees to 200, even 300 rupees, which is a really good for any beginners or anyone to learn how to use the P2P trading platforms. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the P2P trading platform properly and how to buy the cryptos and how to select a right trader to buy the cryptos. So let's start the video. So right now we are in the Binance homepage. First we need to get the access to the P2P trading. To do that we have to click on the trades, and there you can see we have many types of trades, but we need to click the P2P, and let's click the P2P. Before you do anything, first thing you have to do is you need to select the currency, because right now mine is in INR. If you can see in the corner, in your case it might be Chinese or any other foreign currency. So to change that, you have to tap on the currency and you have to select the INR. You can simply scroll down or you can type here INR. So once you've done that, you will able to see all the Indian crypto traders or merchants are listed here. So before we buy the cryptocurrency, I'm gonna show you how to read this information and how to select a right person to buy it. So right now you can see we're in the buy tab, which means we are looking to buy the cryptocurrency, and also there is a sell tab, which means if you have a cryptocurrency, how to sell them to other people. So here people are willing to buy cryptocurrency at different prices, so you can sell them the cryptocurrency and you can get the money to your bank account. But in this video I'm only going to show you how to buy the cryptocurrency. In the next video I can show you how to sell the cryptocurrency and how to transfer the money back into your account. So here I'm gonna show you two transactions: how to buy a smaller quantity, which is 200 rupees, and another one is a 20,000 rupees. So the reason I'm doing two transactions, people are thinking on P2P they cannot buy smaller quantities or a smaller amount, but which is not true. In this video I'm going to show you how to buy the 200 rupees. Even we can buy 100 rupees of crypto, but I'm going to show you 200 and the 20,000. So using P2P we can buy 6 different coins in Binance, and the first one is a US Tether, second one is a Bitcoin and a BUSD, third, fourth one is a BNB, fifth one is Ethereum, and sixth one is DAI coin. So I'm going to buy only the USDT because USDT is the most commonly used base currency. So just like how we are using Indian rupees in India to buy any other stuff in India, so just like that in Binance the most used common currency is a US Tether, because it is like a base currency. Just like how we have a US dollar, it's similar to US dollar. The price always fluctuate along with the US dollar. They're replacing US dollar with the US Tether because the volatility can protect them from a huge market ups and down. So because of this I'm also going to buy the US Tether because this is the most commonly used, as I said. So before we buy any currency from these people, we need to pay attention to few details. So for example, you can see the first trader, which is Crypto SVP. He has 180 trades and he had completed 99.45% of them, which is really good rate of completion. So when you look at his price that he's selling, which is 78.47, and remember the first guy what you see in the list, he is the lowest price, because the list always goes from low to high in this Binance P2P trading list. So the first guy, as I said, he's selling at a 78.47 rupees per $1, and the crypto amount he has right now in his account is a 407.05 US Tether, and the limited order, which is 25,000 to 31,941, which means the minimum amount he expecting 25,000 and the maximum 31,941, which is his overall cryptos. So we cannot buy for 100 rupees, 200 rupees, even 10,000 we cannot buy from this guy. So because of that we cannot buy any smaller quantity with him. And also the payment method, if you look at here, which is mentioned a bank transfer, the symbol is a bank transfer. Normally a trader can accept 3 payments in P2P, so he can use IMPS or he can use a UPI, you can use Phone Pay, Google Pay, any of these 3 payments, and we have to send them through that payment only. You can pull up the details, you can transfer the money, so which I'm going to show you shortly. So this is how you can read his information. The next step is how we have to check his feedbacks, how many feedbacks he got and how many of them positive and how many of them negative. So to check the feedback, you have to tap into his name here. So tap there, and you will see his feedbacks. Right now he got 51 feedbacks and 94% of them are positive, which is a really good one. And one important thing here, once we select him for checking his feedback, after that if we go back to main list, we may not see him because the list been updating every second or every minute. The price will be fluctuating, the more traders will be coming in, so based on that this guy might be in a now row 5, row 7, or maybe down, so we need to scroll down. His name is a crypto svp, but I'm not gonna search for him because I'm not gonna buy the crypto from him because he's selling a minimum order of 25,000. I'm gonna find someone who's willing to sell at least 200 rupees, so I'm gonna show you how to find them. So basically he got a 51 feedbacks and 94% of them positive. So I'm going back, and you can see the first person was before crypto vp, but right now you can see there is another guy called Muhammad. So we can scroll down to search the person we are looking for, but I am not going to look for the same person. I'm going for someone who has a minimum order of 200 rupees. So let's scroll down until we get someone. So finally I found someone, guys, which is Crypto Guru, and you can see he is selling limit order of 100 rupees, which is really good. This is what I'm looking for. I can buy 200 minimum from this guy, and he also completed 98% of the trades, and the total trades he has been getting is a 149, which is a good one. And also you have a Google Pay, Phone Pay and UPI, which makes our transaction more easier, so we can send him quickly. So I'm not gonna check his feedbacks because I'm not gonna buy a larger quantity, I'm gonna buy smaller quantity. And since he have a 98% of completion rate, I don't need to check feedbacks here because I think 98% is a really good rate of completion. So to place the trade, we have to tap into buy, and here we have to enter the amount of rupees that we're willing to buy. I'm gonna select 200 rupees, and after that you have to click on buy USDT. So once you do that, our order will be placed, and after that we need to pay them the money first, then we need to click on this transfer the fund, so then only they can able to release their crypto. Because I am also crypto trader, I am also selling the crypto on the P2P trading platform, guys. Most of the time people place the trade, they pay the money, but after they pay they forget to click on there because some of the people don't know, and that is the one of the main reason why we are making this video. And you have to click on this once you pay them, not before you pay them. Once you pay them only you have to click on the transfer the fund. And also you can see there is a text came from the seller, so you can always text him, and also you can check what he sent update. So let's go and check his text. I am available, send payment. So he sent me a quick text, so I'm gonna reply him, I'm sending the payment. So like this you can text them, and you can ask for their mobile numbers, you can talk to them in case if you are buying for a larger quantity, and you can keep a long-term business relationship with these traders if you found them really good enough to do the trading with them. And in my case I'm gonna select this guy only for now because I am not looking for any long-term business here, because I already have so many traders that been working with us. And here we have a payment methods, so we can send him Phone Pay, Google Pay and UPI ID. So I'm gonna select Phone Pay and I'm gonna send him the money. So to get the information we have to tap in for payment method, click on this arrow mark, and we have to click on Phone Pay, and here his phone number is there, so I'm gonna copy that. So I just copied successfully. Now I'm going back to Phone Pay and send him the money. After I come back I have to click on transfer next, so I'm gonna do that right away. So I just transferred him the money, guys. I'm gonna click on transfer next, and I just place my trade. I have to wait until he release the crypto, and sometimes they will release in a seconds after we place the trade. Sometimes they may need to confirm that payment has been came or not, because what happen, even I do this trading, many people will place the trade and many people will mark has paid, but we need to go and check in the bank transfer. Sometimes if the message SMS will not come, so we need to check that person is sent or not. So in that case it takes time. And now you can see he just released my crypto, which is 2.53 USDT. So that was very quick, around 20 seconds he took and he released it, which is really fast. If you compare with a bank transfer right now, the bank transfers are getting more than 3 hours to 6 hours, sometime even 3 days, which can be pain. That is the one of the reason we are looking only for a P2P trading while we're trading in India. And I'm gonna give him a positive feedback. And this is the first transfer what we did for a 200 rupees. I'm gonna say him a thanks. And now I'm going back and selecting another trader who can sell, who can give me 20,000 of cryptocurrency in a cheaper price. So I'm gonna do it from the beginning again, and I'm gonna select minimum amount of 20,000 or below that. So I found someone, the trader name is a crazy seller, which is sounds funny, and he has selling at the 78.48. I think this is the cheapest if you compare with other people for a smaller minimum quantity of 10,000. And also he has 64 trades and he completed 100% of them, and he have a UPI ID, bank transfer, and the IMPS, which is really good. I'm gonna select the UPI and I'm gonna request for a 20,000 of cryptocurrency. So I'm gonna place the trade. I'm gonna place 20,000, and I'm gonna place buy USDT. So same again, I'm gonna select the payment method, UPI. I'm gonna copy that, click on the UPI and copy the UPI ID. So now I'm gonna do the payment for him. I'm going to the phone pay again. So I just transferred him 20,000 guys. So now I'm gonna click on transfer next, and now he has to release the my cryptos. So let's see how long this guy will take. And also you can go here and you can text him. I'm not gonna text him. And in case if your order getting delay, you can also click on appeal. You can ask for Binance to come in and they will step in. They will, if there any technical issue, they will work with this trader and they will make sure your crypto will be credited to your account. And I never been faced any issue here, so I'm not gonna do it. So I'm waiting for him to release the crypto. He might checking that I paid or not. So once he check, he will be releasing my crypto. So I'm gonna wait for him. So as you can see, he just released my crypto, which is 254.84 USDT, which is a 20,000 worth of crypto to my wallet, which is really good. So I'm gonna give him a positive. Again, this guy took around 30 seconds, which is all right, and I given a positive feedback. So, and you can go back, you can check your wallet. So once the order is completed, so you can go all the way to home page, and you can go to wallet and P2p, then you can see your account balance. So now I have a 259 US tether. So this is how we can buy the cryptocurrency guys. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to use the Binance application and how to buy the Dogecoin using US tether. So see you in that video, and thank you for watching. Have a good day.